Hi guys, welcome to the Quick Bits. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use relative and absolute references in Excel. Those are really powerful concepts. If you know them, you will be really comfortable in Excel. So as an example, let's look at this table where we have hours in one column and wage per hour in the other column. So let's say we want to calculate the total pay per worker in our table. So how do we do that? So first, let's say we open the equal sign, right? Then we select the value in the first column, multiply by the value in the second column, and then press enter. Here you go. We got our result, $88.80, right? And if you want to see which values we used in calculating this value, we can see that this is right here, right? We have a C4, CC4, this is this column cell, and then we have a D4 is this column cell, right? So this concept is called the relative references, right? So now if you want to calculate it for all the other values, all we have to do is just drag it, right? So then again, we can just double check, right? Let's go to this 280 and we'll see that it uses C7, right? And the D7 to calculate the final value. Okay, so this whole concept called relative references, those are very easy. So now let's say that we need to pay our salary in euros, right? So let's say this is wage per hour is in dollars, but the final pay has to be in euros, right? So then for that we need the conversion rate. Let's say we have a USD to euro conversion rate. And let's say right now the euro is about 89, let's say, right? USD to euro conversion. So that means for 1 euro you only get means the other way around. For $1 you get 89 cents of euro. All right, so how do we do that, right? So naive approach will be to do the same thing, equal sign, hours times the wage per hour times the conversion rate, right? Boom, we got 79.03. Yeah, that should be about right because it was before, it was about 80 something, right? So now let's just do it for all tables. Oh, what happens? Why is it 0 here, right? So to figure out what happened is we can just click on that 0 value and look at the values that used to calculate it. Boom, as we can see that C5 and D5 were the correct values, but G5 was not correct value. So you see the issue with relative references is that it's just gonna intuitively try to go row by row, right? And see what to use. And unfortunately, we have no row here, right? So naively, what people usually do in this case is they copy this value, put it here again here, right? And then just keep going like this, right? Like go further. But this is really not a nice approach, right? You want to have just one place. So in order to make it work, we're going to use this concept known as absolute reference. So what do is in our initial formula, we put $2 signs in front of the G and 4, press enter. And now when we gonna drag this, like you'll see all our values actually use correct conversion rate. So basically it fixes this cell, right? See it all using the correct values. If we go here, see it says it uses C6, D6, and then use a conversion rate. This is called absolute reference. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. This will help me a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.